Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Next, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and we have s to the power of 5 minus 3s squared plus 1. Now, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So we have first derivative of u squared, you have to u du. First derivative of s to the power of 5, we have 5s to the power of 4. First derivative of s squared, we have number 2s ds. Number 3 with number 2, you got about 6s. The square root we change by u. This one with ds we change by 2u du. U and u, we have u squared. Next, the integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.